Hello everyone and welcome to Lisbon as Portugal and Denmark meet again in the second leg of their UEFA Nations League quarter-final. Rasmus Højlund struck the only goal in Copenhagen on Thursday night, which has put the Danes in the driving seat for a place in the Final Four. The winner of this tie will go on to meet Germany or Italy in the semi-finals. It is the Germans who have the edge in that particular tie. Elsewhere, Croatia are 2-0 up on France, and defending champions Spain are locked at 2 apiece with the Netherlands. And plenty are here to see the main man, Cristiano Ronaldo, who was presented with a certificate before the game for reaching 132 international wins. That is a new world record. Portugal in the red, kicking from right as they've come up with another plan. Let's see if they can carry it out. Højlund, who scored within 9 minutes of coming on from the bench a few nights ago, leading the line for Denmark tonight. They're a disciplined outfit, really well organised, and Portugal found it incredibly difficult to find gaps, but they might find one here. Mendes delivering, Ronaldo going down, and the referee says penalty. What a start for Portugal. The referee gave himself some thinking time, and listen to the noise in here. It is being checked by VAR, but the volume has gone up yet another notch. Mendes with a peach of a ball in. It's Dorgu's challenge. And let's see. Can he score this to level the tie? At the place where his professional career began. Oh, and it's saved by Schmeichel. It's a terrible penalty. And Cristiano Ronaldo has squandered a golden opportunity. Forward by Christiansen, cut out by Vitinha. Ronaldo, Fernandes, on to Conceição. He manages to slide it through for Dalot. Dorgu is there to block the cross from his clubmate. Nuno Mendes will take. Diaz is up from the back. Dalot in the picture as well. Inacio also in there. Plenty of bend on the cross, and the header down is from Dalot, and it's hooked over the top. Portugal have another corner on the opposite side this time. Dorgu stuck up. Mendes. Oh, lovely touch from Fernandes. And possibilities here for Portugal. Conceição knocks it down the line. Dalot clips it across. Leao. And they'll start again. Vitinha. Ruben Diaz. A searching cross. Ronaldo beaten to it by Anderson. Flag up far side. Well, he was a peripheral figure the other night, Cristiano Ronaldo, but he looks hungry. Mendes. Conceição. Leave it over the top. It's a terrific pass, but it skids away from Fernandes, and Schmeichel is there to claim it. Dalot switching it. Leao. Mendes on the scene. Terrific ball in. Ronaldo denied by Schmeichel. Oh, Ronaldo whipping up the crowd. Another fabulous ball in from Mendes. How many times have we seen Cristiano Ronaldo score from those sorts of positions? Thwarted again. Drops kindly for Norgard. There's Højlund, and Lindstrom has it now. Back for Højlund again. And stabbed clear by Bernardo Silva. Christensen needing to be on his guard here. And Leao looking to dart beyond him. Still Leao goes. Christensen sticking to the task and sticking to it well. Hjulmand. Lindstrom with a chance to run perhaps. And Asio's with him. Højlund on the turn. Costa with the save. Fernandes. Ronaldo. First touch was heavy. It allowed Vestergaard to get in. Lindstrom running at Dalot. And it needed Ruben Diaz's intervention to prevent him from making any further progress. Isaacson onto this loose ball. Conceição looking for a way round Dorgu. Drops here for Vitinha. I have to say, it did look like the ball had initially gone out before Conceição pulled it back. You'll see it again here. Must have been very close, this. Lindstrom for Denmark. Højlund just ahead of him. Backed up now by Dorgu. Christian Eriksen. Ambitious. And wide. Get the contact. Mendes. Ronaldo has a crack. It is deflected. Deep he goes, Ronaldo leaping, he didn't get there, and it is in the net though! Portugal have the lead on the night, and they have levelled the tie! Eight minutes to go to half-time, it's game on in Lisbon. Fernandes with the corner. Inacio looking for the ball through to Rafael Leao. He's picked him out. The white shirt's getting back. There's Silva and there's Ronaldo. Oh, the whistle had gone for a free kick just prior. Well, he thought he'd made amends for his penalty miss early in the half. Great pass from Inacio. Well, the check is complete. It doesn't stand. Ronaldo does not get his wish. He should have been on the score sheet right at the start of the first half here in Lisbon, but his penalty, albeit tame, was saved by Kasper Schmeichel. It was a pulsating start as Portugal looked to wipe. And away we go. No changes in personnel at half-time, so it's as you were for both. And Denmark are kicking from right to left. Comes the 8th Portuguese centurion. Well committed by Rasmus Christensen, taking out Nuno Mendes. Italy have pulled a goal back. They trail 3-1 against Germany. There's Hjulmand! Well, he wasn't too far away. And how he would love to score in this, his home stadium. Hjulmand, nicely done. Lindström. Eriksen's in the middle. Højlund's getting in there as well. This is Dorgu. Hjulmand. Vitinha. That's really good. Dalot steps on the inside of Anderson. Ronaldo. Conceição deflected and just over. A slice of fortune for Denmark. Conceição saying there was a hand in there. Not so sure about that. But a menacing break from Portugal. Conceição trying to bend it. Joachim is one, he did concede a free kick. Vestergaard. Lindström trying to get Dorgu away. Hjulmand's in the Højlund's in the middle rather. And there's the chance for Eriksen. It is blocked, it is a corner. But this one is going to and fro now from one end to the other. Nuno Mendes blocking the strike from Eriksen. Completed and cleared. Eriksen bends the corner over, there's a free header, a goal! And in he goes from Christensen! Denmark find the back of the Portuguese net. And they are back in pole position for the final four. Again, it is being checked. Christensen's header finds the corner. Rafael Leao, he's got Bernardo Silva just behind him. Vitinha getting it back from Dalot. There's a touch in there from Ronaldo. Competition. Oh, a lovely ball through Bernardo Silva. And there are four in red arriving in support. Back for Leao. We've sent it over the top, but I think there might have been a nick on the ball there. Here come Denmark. Isaksen. The pass just didn't have the pace on it to reach Skov Olsen. And it's Conceição who is taken out here by Norgard. There is a card coming. Norgard knew what was to follow, having made that challenge. Jota to Conceição, Ronaldo, and still comes the way of Dalot. Oh, Denmark just can't get it clear. Conceição, Norgard will make the challenge now. It has in fact gone Denmark's way, this. They are finding Denmark in stubborn mood here, now that the Danes have the edge in the tie. Bruno Fernandes to have a crack off the post. Ronaldo! Redemption for Ronaldo! After his first half penalty miss, Cristiano Ronaldo keeps Portugal alive in the Nations League quarter-finals. Reacting quickest, He was not going to... Fernandes. And it goes to Conceição, no way through. Vestergaard had other ideas. Here's Dalot. There's a card for Jota. Biereth putting the pressure on. Dorgu, problems here. Eriksen arriving! Christian Eriksen! Portuguese hearts broken. But what a response from Denmark! Christian Eriksen levelling the scores in Lisbon, but crucially giving Denmark the lead overall. Ruben Dias attempting to play. Fernandes. Oh, it's found a way through. Ronaldo again! Beaten away by Schmeichel. Oh. Yet another twist, but Ronaldo denied. Bernardo Silva. Mendes. Ronaldo from range. Schmeichel had it covered. Concentration key now for Denmark. Fernandes getting plenty of air on that, punched out by Schmeichel, only as far as Semedo. Trincao! Struck beautifully! Yet another twist in the tail! It was beginning to look like Portugal were finished. Not a bit of it. Trincao on from the bench to keep Portugal believing. Skov Olsen. Leave it in. Dorgu! Cleared by Skov Olsen. Oh, and now a chance. It's Mika Biereth is the furthest man forward. He's got a lot of work to do. And he's shot down by Inacio, who made the initial error. Deep and added on time. Find the killer goal here, Denmark. He will be praying not. Andreas Skov Olsen with the outswinger. A striking chance for Hjulmand, deflected and wide. Wow. Hearts were in mouths then. And then Portugal with a chance to break. A chance. Bernardo Silva. And we still do not know. Bruno Fernandes gets the ball rolling. Eriksen looked to have got the goal that was going to take Denmark through, but Francisco Trincao on 86 minutes. There's Ramos, beaten away, Trincao again! Extra time, barely 60 seconds old. Portugal hit the front. Francisco Trincao of Sporting, who plays his club football in this very stadium, puts Portugal firmly on track for the semi-finals. On from the bench, and he's bagged a brace. Is there no end? This is Vestergaard. Christensen delivering. Safety first from Mendes. Fernandes. Ramos. Jota. Backed up here by Ruben Neves. Foul by Jota, I think that was pretty obvious. What a great return pass from... and away it goes. Portugal closing the door. Belted clear, it could turn into a good ball for Diogo Jota. This to seal the deal potentially, round Schmeichel and scores! Is that the one that finally completes the job for Portugal in their quest to reach the Final Four? Schmeichel down for his troubles. He's been checked for offside. I must say there was a suspicion of it when the ball reached Jota. Scooped into the middle, Portugal see it out, Hjulmand. Christensen delivering low. Cushioned down by Trincao. And there's Fernandes, who's off target. Well, there's half-time in extra time, but Portugal thought that the Jota goal bring up the home support yet again, as he has done all night. Raking balls that ask some serious questions of the Portuguese back line, and they're looking to ask another question here perhaps. And there's the strike, but it is off target. Conrad Harder taking aim. Took a touch off Neves. Trincao. Now the chase is on. Jota's got there, Fernandes streaking through the middle. It's Jota, it's Fernandes, and it's saved by Schmeichel, who's in agony. A swift counter-attack. Jota leading the charge. Has a look across. Bernardo Silva. Collected by Jota, who brings Trincao into play. On it goes to Jota. Ramos! That's the one! That is Portugal heading to the semi-finals. Cristiano Ronaldo finally getting into the party spirit. Denmark are done. Portugal at the end of a long, long night in Lisbon. Christensen. This could break kindly for Skov Olsen. It has done. That is a terrific block coming in from Semedo. Well, there is real promise for the Danes going forward from this. And there's Jota looking to add more gloss to it. He is fouled just outside the area. Vestergaard is going to be booked. He's capable, more than capable. Kasper Schmeichel is a wounded goalkeeper at the moment. Fernandez will know. It's late square for Ruben Neves. Late square for Ruben Neves. And Vestergaard blocked it. And it is Portugal who advance to the semi-finals to take on Germany. What a night it has been in Lisbon. Gonzalo Ramos finally putting the game to bed to break Denmark's resistance. A spirited performance from the